All right, so for this ecological interaction, we're going to be looking at the relationship between the white spruce and the spruce budworm. The spruce budworm and the white spruce have a parasitic relationship, where the budworm benefits and the spruce tree is harmed. Spruce budworms are a native defoliator species which primarily preys on the white spruce. They are considered the most prominent insect disturbance in Canada's boreal forest. Defoliation from the worm begins at the top of the tree, and then they consume the current year's needles. Once those are destroyed, the worms move their way down the tree, and begin to consume the cones. Within 4 to 5 years of consecutive defoliation from the worm, the spruce tree will be killed. This got me thinking about how the white spruce would be able to combat the budworms. Since spruce budworms are detrimental to white spruce populations when they are under defoliation, are there any adaptations or factors that can influence the impact the budworms have on the tree? The budworm is one of the most prominent forest pests throughout Canada, with outbreaks lasting for 10 years. They cause high levels of tree mortality and large reduction in growth of trees that do not survive. So a study was done in southeastern Quebec. A few scientists ran a manipulated field experiment with the wild budworm population that was present. They inoculated a portion of the white spruce trees with the endophyte, which is a native fungus, and then they kept the rest of the non-inoculated populations of the white spruce as a control group. They then observed how the budworm impacted and interacted with the two groups of trees. So for the results, it was found that the survival of the spruce budworm larvae up to pupation and the adult emergence was significantly lower on endophyte inoculation trees when compared to the control group. To be exact, it was 27% lower. Similarly, there was significantly less defoliation in the trees with endophytes than those without, making the inoculated trees an unlikely target for spruce budworms. To conclude, these results could be used as an early intervention to prevent growing low-density populations of budworms from attaining outbreak densities. This study proved that foliator endophytes on the white spruce reduced the survival of the spruce budworm and decreased tree defoliation.